Hey guys, it's Tanzania, aka Tanzy the Trophy, coming at you with another video. In this video, guys, I'm just showing you my Texlax 4C hair. Yes, I am loving it. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you my Tanzy technique where I use microlinks to secure braiding hair into my own hair. And guys, yeah, keep watching. The hair I use is Ultra Twisted Up Spring Twist hair. It's really good. I'm giving you some close-ups of it. And guys, at the end, I'm going to show you how I use gel for this hair to make it lay down and to elongate the curls and to loosen the curls. So please rate, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, guys. Heads up, there isn't let's see. There isn't a finished product look, but you'll see throughout the video what I'm really getting at. So yes, please watch the video to the end. Give me a thumbs up, guys, and like or dislike this video. Tell me what you think. Either way, I'm starting to be aware of what you guys like and what you don't. So yeah, like me, dislike me, or let me know. Y'all be blessed. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and hit me up my social medias. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. I got you. Okay, guys, so I'm back. This is the needle and thread. It's got a little knot on it, and it's a curved needle. Okay, guys, this is what I'm going to use to crochet the hair into, well, not crochet, but like pull it through the little bead. Y'all can see that, yeah. So guys, like I said, this is spring twist hair. Got it from my local beauty supply. And yeah, this is what it looks like. It was originally like this. Like this. It's like 8 inches, but when you stretch it, it's longer. So I've been stretching it. And what you do is take a little piece, pull it apart, and then what I do is I pull it and I pull the knot towards the. Are you okay? Sorry guys, I got somebody interrupting my video. Get down. Sit down, boy. Sit down. You just causing so much noise. Guys, my dog is about to be 12 years old this year. That's my baby. But anyway, guys, let me get back to the video before y'all get mad at me. What you do is, let's see if I can make this a little bit better. You take the needle, and you go underneath the bead. Let me see if I can show you. Go underneath the bead. Y'all can see that, hopefully. Start to pull it. And guys, put just a little bit of the hair on the end of it. Don't put the full length of the hair inside of it. But I'll show you. Once you do that, you grab the back of it. Let me see, where did I do this? You grab the bead. Let me see, I think I did messed up. Talking too dang on much. I think I made a knot. Uh-oh. Okay. Let's try that again. Let me show you. Now, guys, there will be bloopers. Take the hair. Do not go in the middle of the hair. Go on the very tip of the hair. That way it'll be easier to come through your loop if your hair is as short as mine. Now just prick myself. This can be a little dangerous, guys. It ain't dangerous, but it feels like it. So now, got that little piece. Just gonna do that. See if I can get it through there. Put it through the bead. Grab the bead. You can see that. And slowly pull it through. Okay. Let's just pull it through, pull it. And depending on how long you want it, you can knot it at the base of the bead, the bottom of the bead, or you can let it be long like this, or you can put it like this. If you put it like this, you can see, if you put it like this, the length will be shorter once you knot it. But if you want it to be longer, but a little bit thinner for your hair, you put it like, you pull it down, you make it uneven, the little strings uneven, the pieces of hair uneven. You see? So now, I'm going to wrap it with my finger. And guys, I'm trying not to let this be a long video. If it is long, I'm sorry. Thank you for watching to the end. And yeah. So now, I got it. It's not going anywhere. And guys, you don't have to worry about the bead being seen. Ain't nobody gonna be up on you like that. But if you are like paranoid about it, just pull the hairs very lightly at the base of the bead so nobody will see it. So basically fuzz it up or scruff it up a little bit. Kind of blend it if you want to. If you don't care if that bead shows or not, then do what you do. I care a little bit. I'll be back. Hey guys, it's Tanzania, aka TANZYTHETROPHY, coming at you with another video, guys. In this video, guys, I already started on my hair. I started doing some microlink beads. If y'all know the Tanzy technique, that's where I add these little tiny beads to my hair. And guys, my hair is tech slacks, so my curls are kind of relaxed. Well, you know what I mean. Like the curls, my hair is naturally 4C. So with the tech slacks, my hair is like a 4A. So the microlinks stay a little bit longer in my hair. Like if your hair is straight, microlinks can stay in your hair for a while, like more than 3 months. If your hair is curly, kinky, wavy, it may be a little bit less. And then if you're curly, even less than like close to two months. But if your hair is kinky, like mine, those microlinks are not going to be in your hair for more than a month or two before they start to lock up. So what I decided to do is, as my hair grows, I'm just going to relax the growth, the new growth, instead of taking them all out again. So guys, as you see, this hair is awesome. Guys, like, I'm going to show you, this is spring twist hair. And it's long. I got it from my local beauty supply store. I separated the pieces and then crocheted it into my knots. Well, not knots, but little beads. See if y'all can see that. But yeah, guys, I do have videos showing how I put them in. I'll link them in below in the information box. Please read my information box, guys. There's so much stuff that could help you that I already listed, and I made lists where you can get this hair from. More likely I will, where you can get it online. But guys, and I have this in my hair because I found a way to get this hair to look like human hair. Like, I found a product that if you put on this synthetic curly hair, bro, you'll think I got some type of new Brazilian hair, I promise you. That's why I'm looking forward to putting it in. But this, guys, this can hurt a little bit if your hair is short. Because since my hair is short, I have to get closer to my scalp. So when I take the hair, this hair, with my needle and thread, and pull it through the bottom of it, or use a nitpicker, it hurts. It hurts like a little bitch. Like, it really does. Sorry for my language, guys. No, I'm not sorry. But it hurts like a little bitch. Not a bitch. A little bitch. So, yeah, guys. About to finish doing my hair. It's getting hot. I started making wigs, but now I'm like, it about to get hot. I don't know if I want all that hair. I'll make the wigs, but I ain't gonna wear them. Let's put it that way. Get them ready for next winter. Right now, summer is coming! Yeah. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I put all the hair in, and now I'm about to take some gel and just, hey, my dog. I'm gonna take some gel and put it through the hair. This is how it looks, really big and fluffy. Not my kind of look, but I'm gonna put some gel on it and slick it down and do what it do. Okay, guys? Alright. And guys, I did find another way to attach the hair to the beads. You could use what they call a nitpicker. And guys, this has tape on it because it fell apart. But you can use a nitpicker to put the hair into your hair. Put the synthetic hair into your hair. Use this instead of that freaking needle and thread I was using. Use this. Just crochet it into your hair. Make a little knot around the beads, okay? This hurts less. Matter of fact, this barely hurts. When you use that needle and thread, it hurts. That's like the ratchet way of doing it. This is the more classy way. Even though it's got the little scotch tape on it. Okay, guys? So I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I am back. I haven't done any more of the beads yet, but I want to go ahead and show you the product that I have. I got this from Dollar Tree, my local Dollar Tree, where everything is $1. It's Lusty's Argan Oil Curl Away Twist Shaping Gel. Guys, please get a good gel, not no Ampro, not no softy gel. Get a clear gel or one of those Argan Oil gels or Eco Styler. I haven't tried it with anything but this. Let me show you guys. That's what it looks like. And I only paid $1 for this big tub. But what you do is, what I've been doing is, I open it, and this is the side that's defined already. This is the side that's not. So, I thought it was like magic when I did this. So, what you do is, I don't know if it's the hair texture or the you see that? It's all fuzzy. Now, go through it. And guys, this stuff does dry, but it's like, it is synthetic, but wow. Look how defined that got. You see? It got so defined instead of being all frizzy and stuff. And I'm going to do the other side again. And this is just something you can do. It's not, wish I could better show you guys. You see how that is close to my face? This side hasn't been defined. This side has. So imagine putting it over here like this, right here, like this. Once I put them all in, and it'll just be like this. Like this look like some Spanish wave hair. This look like Afro kinky hair. Like some 4C hair. Maybe 4B. But this right here, I'm liking this. I like this too, because now I can take this and make this. So yeah, guys. And it shouldn't be hard to maintain. Like I said, I use this perm rod to just curl it up. And you don't have to do this. I just do it to keep it out my face. And when I go to sleep, I can just roll it up and then take it out, and it won't get dried by my pillowcase or my headscarf. Normally, guys, I sleep wild, so my headscarf comes right off, and my hair gets back dry. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna finish, and then I'm gonna come back at you. Let me see, can y'all see that? it looks pretty good so far. And I'm going to go ahead and define the back once I finish. Putting it in. And like I said, guys, you could probably get away with using some Eco Styler. I did buy some Eco Styler, the argan oil kind. So I'm going to see if this helps with it. But the stuff that I use from the Dollar Tree is only $1. This stuff right here was like $2 at Walmart. So you do the math and see which one is the better deal based off of how it works and how much it costs. I would love for my hair to get this long, guys. I really would. My hair used to be down to my butt when I was little. I know y'all probably heard a lot of black women say that, but it did. I had long, relaxed hair. And this African booty bitch. I call her a bitch because she wasn't even African. She was African American, and she was doing this pro-relax stuff and told me that I hated myself and that I wasn't loving myself, so that I was oppressed. So I went and got all my hair, my beautiful long booty length hair, cut off to look like a boy and to get bullied. All because of what she said. I was that influenced, easily influenced at that age. I was only like 11. I listened to this older woman tell me that about myself. And I believed her. And I cut all my hair off. And ever since then, I have not been able to grow my hair back. I've tried going natural, but it just don't work. And depression doesn't help either. So yeah, guys, keep watching.